Good afternoon, Brian with Grand Roofing, doing a quick inspection of a roof section we did 3 years ago. I just looked. So I'm in the area, I get a call. This area was hit hard with hail 3 weeks ago. People still door knocking, still trying to convince people, and I've heard some crazy stories from cockroaches to roadblocks to waking their baby. All kinds of stuff and complaints I've been hearing from people. So this roof 3 years ago plus, they contacted me because they had somebody knock on their door, explain to them they had storm damage, hail damage, they're a restoration pro, and they're going to get it bought. And come to find out there wasn't enough damage, they sloped it out. So this section here was being bought by the insurance. Well, guess what? That person couldn't make the profit. They wanted to cover all the sales people and the office and everything. They went MIA. This homeowner back then was like, what do we do? We have nobody working through this. It's supposed to be a pro. Unfortunately, things like that happen. There are people out there that make a bad reputation for everyone. So here we are again, 2023, 3 years later, almost to the year, another hailstorm hits and they get people door knocking. They said they're not going to do that. So we came out, we roofed this section 3 years ago. We're going to do a quick walkover. Some homes are damaged. Newer roofs hold up to it a little bit better. There's still some 3-tab roofs in the area. They're going to get plastered. I've been doing hail inspections all morning today. Some of them have been annihilated. Some of them haven't. Look, there's chalk laying out in the street there. So there's yard signs in the area here. All right, let's do this quick walkover. We are on a west facing slope. So this is the side that would have got hit because most of the storms and the witnesses said it's coming out of the west blowing east or kind of out of the north heading south. You would think these sides would be hit more. So we're just going to look for some hail strikes, some anomalies, some things that don't look right. This is at the time an IKO Cambridge shingle, I believe is what they had to match the other side. So we're going to look at this here. I noticed something up here, but that might have been tar from a shingle during the install. That is not granule loss, that's tar up on the top side of the shingle, and there's a line. So it looked like a shingle may have been there, lifted up off of it. But just overall, I'm not seeing anything. And I do have a picture of the B-vent flue pipe. When I did an inspection 3 years ago, there was already some damage there on that. It's not even on the section we're doing here. Just so the camera can focus, we'll try to move slowly and pause, move a little bit and pause. I guess the point being here is that if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There are some good people out there that do storm restoration. Let me make myself clear. I'm not saying all people are bad out there, but there are some people, sign here. I'm a pro, I'll get it bought. I had a handful of calls last week, people saying, yeah, they got me locked in agreement, it's not going the way I expected, they keep raising the price, insurance isn't covering enough, and guess what? I owe 15 or 20, 25% of the contract if we back out. Big red flag, in my opinion, if you ask me. Maybe you guys think I'm doing this stupid and wrong, but no contracts, free inspections. If there's hail, file a claim. If not, move on. I don't see anything on this side here. I don't see anything anywhere. Let's look some more. So some stuff I've seen has been just hit hard. I mean, definite impact marks. I'm not seeing anything on this. I don't even see one spot yet. So I'll call this homeowner and be like, yeah, I would not do anything. Not looking bad. Let's jump over the other side here and see if we see anything. I don't know how old this side is. It's well over 3 years because this was not approved back in the day in 2023. So when you've got salesmen, project managers, office staff, business owner, you got subcontractors, you can't really make enough to just cover a slope like this, so that's when they go MIA. That's literally what happened here. So I don't see anything, not even on this older section do I see anything. And some of you guys, they're always, oh no, didn't you see it right there? So some of the stuff you might think, that's actually tar coming out from the manufacturing process when they laminated this. There's 1, 2, and 3. So I have a better vision now than you guys seeing on the video. This is hail damage, but it's old. Ooh, that was bird poo. So I can't spend too much time here. I just want to do another quick little slightly different video. But if you got people out there door knocking, promising the world, just remember that classic little phrase. If it's too good to be true, probably is. Now, there are some good people out there. There are some good people that do inspections and say, honestly, if there is damage or is not damage. Just because it's storm damage and you're dealing with insurance companies doesn't mean everyone is bad. But there's a lot of people that see dollar signs. There's a lot of people that chase this stuff. My phone was literally ringing Monday morning after the storm Sunday night with out-of-state salesmen wanting to use my reputation in the area. No, not gonna happen. My phone rings, I stay plenty busy. Could it be more busy? Yeah, but I'm growing into it to where I actually have people doing that, but that's the part that I have a really hard time with, finding people I can trust. So, I don't see anyone or any damage on this one. This is probably, I don't know, the 4th one I've been to today since I had to get the crew going, do inspections in Kokomo this morning, work my way down into Sheridan's where I'm at now. And the first 2, yes, definite hail damage. Well, 1 definite hail damage. The other one had some wind damage, a little bit of hail damage. I think that's a good claim. The other 2, nothing. So nothing here. I got 1 more. I got to beat it back to Kokomo. So I don't know. If you guys have any knowledge, if you're in this sector, this industry, roofing, and you've been Hague certified, let me know if you could, if it's worth it, what you can learn just having the certification. I really don't know. It's something I want to do. I just don't have time to do it. It's important to me to get, but it's way low on the totem pole of things to get done. I got to run the company. I do a lot here. I'm the salesman, the project manager, the estimator, the repair guy. I do all that, getting the crew going, finish up material, do inspections, and pull jobs. There's a lot when you start from nothing. I didn't have deep pockets. I didn't buy a franchise. I started from nothing. Yeah, if you're interested in my reputation, maybe buy the franchise from me. Can you even see me? I can't see my screen. All right, we're blabbing. Yeah, I don't see it here. So reputation, in my opinion, goes a long way, and I want to build a good, long-lasting reputation. I don't spend on advertising. Other than yard signs, t-shirts, word of mouth has been huge. I want to maybe try to get into a little bit of marketing and advertising, because some of the big successful companies, you hear you got to have a small portion of your budget go to advertising. Dimitri just did a video about this the other day. 3 to 5% goes into advertising. So whatever your net sales is, or maybe it's profit, I don't know, put that into marketing. So what I want to try to do, I've done door knockers once, and it's really tiring walking. So I want to try to do mail flyers in strategic areas when something like this happens. And then they pair, oh my God, he's got great 5-star reviews and a ton of them. Instead of this company's like, oh wow, they popped up, they have no reviews, but they're an insurance specialist. I don't know. Just my personal opinion, my little rant. I gotta get going. Until next time, be safe, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.